So, hello guys, my name is Frederick Kubiru of Fube TV. Today we shall be talking about a tin machine that you can import from China. So, if you are looking for a small business you can start from your home in Nigeria, in this video we shall be talking about, or we shall show you about a tin machine you can consider importing from China and using them to produce the products that you can actually produce and people will actually buy. Some require very little space or capital, making them suitable for a home-based business. So let's get started with this 18 machine. So number one on the list has to do with a heat press machine that they can buy for between 140,000 to 280,000. The number two is a Vini cutting machine. You can get it for between 210,000 to 280,000. Then voting badge makers, you can get it for around 210 to 200 and sorry, you can get it for 70,000 to 210,000. Then button badge makers, you can get it from 70 to 210,000. The number four, we have a label or sticker printer. You can get it between 140 to 70,000. Then number five on the list, we have a leather, that is a spice paper grinding machine, which you can get between 140 to 700,000, depends on the size of the machine. Then number six, we have a popcorn machine. You can get it for between 140 to 160,000. Then number seven, we have the peanut machine, which others they call it a peanut roasting machine. You can get it between 420,000 to 1.4 million. Depends on the size of the machine. Then number eight, we have the sealing machine. The sealing machine, you can get it between 70,000 to 700,000. Then number 10 on the list, we have a liquid. Number 9, we have a liquid filling machine, which you can get between 70k to 700,000. Then number 10, we have a liquid soap making machine that you can buy for between 280,000 to 1.4 million. Then we have number 11 on the list, has to do with the candle making machine or equipment. You can get it for 140 to 1.12 million. Then we have number 12 on the list. We have a ice block machine, which you can equally get for between 700,000 to 4.2 million, depends on the size of the machine. Then we have a noodle or pasta making machine. You can equally get it for 420,000 to 2.8 million. Then number 14, we have a mini donuts machine, which you can buy for 140,000 to 700,000. Then number 15, we have the potato machine chips / cutter. You can get it around 140 to 700,000. Then potato chips machine, you can or a cutter, you can get it between 140 to 840,000. A paper cutting machine, you can get it from around 7 million to 12.6 million. Then you have a egg tray machine. You can get it for around 4.9 million to 16.8 million. Then they will have a water filling machine. You can get it for around 700,000 to 7 million plus, depends on the size of the machine and the factory you want to set up for this purpose.